Hi everyone, call me Fierce Seraph. This video series is aimed at getting you up and running and ready to play Arma 3 with the Beagle Rush mod pack. For this series, I'm going to assume you've already bought Arma 3. The base game is all you need. We don't require any of the DLCs to play. However, the final installation size of Arma 3 with our mod pack is about 104 GB, so make sure you have the hard drive space and the bandwidth to download and install everything. We also require voice comms during the game, so you'll need to set up a microphone as well. If you have any questions or run into any issues, check out the MJB Discord, specifically the Arma Help channel. People will be more than happy to help you troubleshoot your setup. So let's start with the first step, setting up your mods. We use two types of mods, ones on the Steam Workshop and local mods. We'll start with the Workshop ones. All of the Steam Workshop mods that we use are in a single collection called Beagle's DRO collection. The link is pinned in the Arma Help channel on Discord, and I'll also include it in the description below. Simply subscribe to this collection and let all the mods download. We also use 3 local mods. These are mods you'll have to download and manually enable in the launcher. Again, the link to the download is in the pins in the Arma Help channel and will be in the description. Put these 3 folders wherever you like. I personally have them inside my Arma 3 root folder, but they don't have to be. It should not overwrite any of your base game files. Now we'll have to enable everything in the launcher. First, we'll need to start the launcher by just clicking play in Steam. This opens up the Arma 3 launcher. Go to the Mods tab in the launcher. If you're working off a completely fresh install, you can just hit the Load All button. If you've previously installed mods that aren't listed in the collection, or as one of our 3 local mods, I'd recommend you disable them while you're playing on the server. Next, we'll need to tell the launcher to add the local mods to the list. Click the Local Mod button in the launcher, navigate to where you've placed it, so for me that would be my Arma 3 install folder, and click and select folder on each one of the 3 local mods that we've downloaded. They should show up as one of your available mods that you can also load. Just to load up these mods, just click or just check or uncheck the box next to them. During this process, if enabling any of the mods throws a compatibility error, ignore it. This is very important because we use a slightly modified version of one of the major mods that a lot of other mods in this game rely on. Now, if you're playing with our mod pack and you don't have any of the DLC, you should have loaded 70 mods total. However, if you've bought the Global Mobilization DLC, you'll need to find the Global Mobilization Cold War Germany Compatibility Data for Non-Owners mod and disable it. And so if you do have this DLC, you should have loaded 69 mods in total. I want to take a moment to say that this mod pack we use is still currently in flux, so to save time for myself, I'm not going to re-record all of it, but you should know that the precise number of mods is going to change. Ask in the Discord for the precise number. Again, if you have global mobilization, your total mod count should be 1 lower than everybody else's. You might see in the footage I seem to have 1 higher despite not having the DLC. This is because I use some client-side only mods for mission making. Don't sweat it. Again, go to the Discord if you want a kind of customized look at your mod set. Back to the video. For voice comms during the game, we use a program called Teamspeak 3, alongside a mod for Arma 3 called ACRE 2. This simulates proximity chat and radio communications, and is a vital part of how we play Arma together. First, you'll need to download Teamspeak 3. Go ahead and install it. Then, let's set it to push to talk. Go to Tools, Options, Capture, and set a Push to Talk button. If possible, I definitely set it on an extra mouse button. This is because Arma 3 uses a lot of keybinds, and nearly every single key on the left half of your keyboard will be frequently used in the course of the game. With all that done, let's load up Arma 3 quickly. We need to do this to finish our ACRE setup. Just select Play with Mods in your launcher. you should see a pop-up saying that ACRE 2 has installed a plugin to your Teamspeak 3 folder. I don't see it because I've already done this. You should also see a giant row of icons at the bottom showing all the mods that you've installed. I'm going to take a little detour now to show you how to change your in-game name, default face, and default faceware option. On the top right, it should show your default profile. Click it and you can change your profile or add a new one. From here, you can change your display name, default head, default voice, although I suggest you leave it on no voice, and the faceware that you'll spawn in with. Once that's done, save it and exit out. Now go back to Teamspeak 3. Go to Tools, Options, Add-ons, and you should see ACRE 2 listed as a plugin. If you ever have a problem with ACRE not working, start by trying to reload this plugin from this menu. Now that we've set everything up, we're finally ready to start connecting to things. Let's start by connecting to the Teamspeak server. Open up Teamspeak and make a new connection. Enter all the information from Discord and click Join. You should connect to the MJB Teamspeak server's default room. Remember to hop into the ACRE channel or the Game 1 room when you start playing, otherwise ACRE won't work. Those do require a password, they are the same as the server password. To make it easier to join, set the server as a bookmark within Teamspeak. Just go to the Bookmarks tab and hit Add to Bookmarks. Next time you can just select the server here to join. Now let's join on the server for Arma 3. You can join directly from the launcher or from the in-game browser. Let's start with the launcher. Go to the Servers tab and click the Direct Connection button. Enter the server information and click Join. If a window pops up about compatibility issues or a mod mismatch, click Keep Current Selection and Join. Basically, we want to ignore all compatibility errors. This is very important, otherwise it will break your setup. It should then load you into the server. However, if we want to join from in the game itself, start by going to the Multiplayer tab, Server Browser. Click the Direct Connect tab, enter the information from Discord, hit Join, and then you'll be taken back to the Servers tab, only this time you should see MJB Arma 3 as an option. Join on that, enter the password, and hit OK. If you see this role assignment screen, congratulations! You've loaded onto the server and you're in the lobby for the currently selected mission. If you just see a mission select screen, that's okay too. It just means there's no game currently running. That's it for this video. Check out the next few where we'll go over some basics of playing Arma and getting to grips with the basic controls.